So, we're somewhere a little bit different this week. We're not in the usual garden in Neath. We are in Maspalomas in Gran Canaria. And we've come here, Tony, myself and my friend Keri. So there's 3 of us on the holiday. And this is our 3rd night here now at the moment. And we're having a fantastic time. So let's take a look around and see what's going on in Maspalomas. We are on our 3rd night now tonight. The weather is absolutely fantastic. It's the end of June and it's saying that it's about 25 degrees. And just look at that there. And this is right outside the main doors. Beautiful. So you can see that there's 2 hotels here. This is the Tabaiba Princess, and then the hotel that we are staying in is this one this side. And they are 2 separate hotels, and they are joined in the centre with just a strip of shops. And there's some lovely clothes shops there. And some restaurants. There's loads of facilities here. So let's go now and take a look. And so we walk in now down the walkway that splits the 2 hotels. And there's some lovely clothes shop over there. We've had a little look in there and they really have got some nice clothes. And just going further down, this is where the evening restaurants are, and on the left hand side we've got an Italian, and on the right hand side we've got an Asian restaurant, which is also a sushi bar, and we haven't tried them yet. I don't really fancy sushi. Some people might like it, but it's definitely not for me. And when you reach the end of this walkway, you can see that this is where we get to the pool area. Huge pool area. Plenty of sunbeds. And loads of different snack bars. Plenty to do here. There's 6 pools, no end of different bars, and it's just a fantastic place to stay. We've only been here at the moment. This is our 3rd night tonight, and already we think it's really nice here. The food is fantastic, and just looking around here, the different areas of the hotel. It's evening time at the moment, early evening, 7 o'clock. It's quite quiet. I think everybody's getting ready to go out tonight. It's actually cooling down a little bit now. It's been about 27, 28 degrees, I think, today, but it does seem an awful lot warmer than that here. Really nice hotel, really nice food. What more do you want on holiday? And just look at all these areas here. Absolutely beautiful. I think I'll go up now, join the others, and maybe go for some food, see what they got on offer for tonight. So,
Yeah,
what do you think of the hotel so far?
lovely.
Nice?
Lovely.
Would you come back?
Definite.
Nice, is it?
Definitely.
Okay then. 6 swimming pools.
Oh, it's not 6 swimming pools.
It is 6 swimming
That's
pools.
rubbish. That is not.
It is.
Okay,
It's
all right,
supposed
it
to be
is.
6 swimming
All
pools.
right, it is then.
Some of them are small.
Small, little
But
tiny
2 of them are
pools.
huge.
Huge.
So
Huge.
that counts as more.
But it's a beautiful hotel.
Beautiful hotel.
Loads of palm trees, beautiful palm trees.
Loads of palm
Jesse's
trees.
very, very jealous.
I'm very jealous, and I
Very,
want palm
very
trees just
jealous.
like this.
And we all, both of us want palm trees like this.
I know. So you're
We
looking
just
at
can't have it.
them, and they're huge. And I want palm trees like that in my garden. And it's boiling hot.
Boiling hot and now need more lagers. Drunk. I'm really funny when I'm drunk.
So I've come back down now in the morning because I think the lighting is a lot better now to see the plants. The sun was a little bit strong last night. And just look at these. Look at the height on those palm trees. And just look at these. The size on these is magnificent. And just look down there at the musabajos. And you can actually look down there. I just wish that we could grow plants to this size back home. And that huge palm tree there, that's the one that's just outside my room. A lovely view. They must have known I was coming. There's beautiful palm trees everywhere in the hotel. And I knew that before we booked it. And that's one of the reasons why I wanted to come here. Just look at the lovely colour on them leaves there. That's not something that we see at home. Unfortunately, I don't know what they're called. I've absolutely fallen in love with this palm tree here. Look at the beautiful silver colour on it. I've never seen one of these before, and I've looked this up to find that they're not particularly hardy in the UK, so we won't be having one of these. But what a fantastic palm tree. Well, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed having a little look around the hotel. And join us next time, where we're going to take a little trip to Puerto de Mogan, which is supposed to be one of the prettiest places in Gran Canaria and is also known as Little Venice. So keep watching, and I'll catch up with you next time. Bye for now.